Hi, village people.
Hello.
Where are you going to?
We're going to ShopRite.
What are you going to do there?
Play.
So you don't play at home?
Yes, there's fun at ShopRite. So then we have.
Oh, okay. There's no fun at home, right?
Yes.
No fun at home.
Yes, there's fun at ShopRite or anything. There's fun at Magic Land and ShopRite and anything that is fun.
What?
Yes, I know.
Wow.
Talkie, game on me. Say hello. Oh, my baby. Cry. See Dimma. Dimma, baby. Come in and say hello. Hi, Rosie. Dimma, say hi, sister. I'm not hyper. But you look okay now. You too, This is reality video. It's not the one you look all put together. So we are here at ShopRite. Yeah, so we came to have fun. Today we're gonna have fun. Okay. My two kids. I have two kids. Ali, say hello. I'm twinning. No, you mean tripling? I know, right? Good afternoon. Okay. It's here. Okay, guys, we're in ShopRite, so we just want to look around and the kids will play a bit, okay? And we'll see you guys as we go along, alright? Okay. Okay. Okay, this is 68. 68,000. Alright. Okay. Okay. This is how much? 53. It's 24. Hi guys, you're welcome back to the channel. So here we're just doing unboxing of some of the items that we got on our outing today, okay? And we all know that it's back to school period now, so we had to get back to school items for my baby. So this is water bottle for her. We got her socks, then school shoes. Her school shoe was kind of very old, and you know, these kids, their leg grow like weed, so we had to get a solid school shoe for her. And then she has plate, spoon, and then of course her bag got spoiled towards the end of the term, and she had to be carrying one of my old bags to school, so we had to get her a decent bag. Okay, and then let me just put this here for a second. And then also We were just passing by Skechers. I always like these Skechers. I've always liked Skechers. So I was passing by Skechers and saw that they were having a sale. Guys, if you see the way I ran and rushed this thing for my kids, Skechers was having sales. So I got this for my older daughter. Like, they have really nice stuff, and like, you know, their things can really last like a lot. So I got this for my older baby, and I got this for my younger baby. So these are the items we got, and I hope you guys like what I got.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away.
You guys know when you go to the market and you shop and you are really satisfied with everything that you got. That is what this set of items I got feels like to me. Unlike, there are sometimes I go to the market and I buy things. When I get home, I will almost start crying. Like, who sent me to get there? I'll be so frustrated. But this time around, I like everything. I got good stuffs. I actually got this. And surprisingly enough, I think I got for fair prices as well, because you guys know dollar is coming down now. So most of the prices they gave me, they were telling me it's old price they gave me. So things were not really as expensive as I expected them to be. So I think I got good things for what I got. So you guys, don't forget to like this video, give it a massive and huge thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Right, bye.